Namaskar, Joy Guru. Indian Museum Kolkata has taken this initiative to keep people inspired during this lockdown period. For us who live in nature, for us this lockdown is still okay. But people who have to live in flats and cannot go out, for them it is really very difficult. At this moment, what we can do, we can really turn inside us and make ourselves available for meditation, prayer, and yoga and music. Sing a lot. Even if you're not a singer, singing always helps to open our hearts. And you can be very creative, things that you haven't done. For example, writing poetry or painting. These kind of things you can explore at this time. Maybe you like cooking, so you can like to do cooking. But here I would like to also thank all the doctors, nurses, those who are in front line and risking their life, taking care of so many people who are in danger. And also to the Safai Karmachari, those who have cleaned and kept our spaces very clean and helped us to remain in good health. And also I would like to thank to the responsible citizen who kept the social distancing and also kept the rules of the lockdown, because it is very important for our whole world not to continue and risk ourselves. If we are in risk, then everybody else will be in risk. And also a small appeal to those who are cannot earn those who earn every day very little. If we have people around us, for example, our maids or anybody who come to our house, my request is that you can help them even if they don't come for the work. So here is a song for you.
Hey Murshid, kon gune paavo tohre bado চিন্তা ঘুন লেগেছে আমার অন্তরে মুর্শিদ, চিন্তা ঘুন লেগেছে আমার অন্তরে। আমার মন পাগল পারা মুর্শিদ, হয় না নিহারা বনে বনে কেঁদে ফিরি আমি, পাই না ধারা। যেমন কাল মিলাতা জলে ভাসে রে মুর্শিদ, ফিরতেছি দারে দারে মুর্শিদ, ফিরতেছি দারে দারে বড় চিন্তা ঘুন লেগেছে আমার অন্তরে মুর্শিদ, চিন্তা ঘুন লেগেছে আমার অন্তরে। দুঃখ কহি যারে তারে এই ভাব সংসারে মুর্শিদ, তু বিনে ভরসা নাই এই না জগতে। অধীন পাঞ্জু বলে মুর্শিদ বিনা রে আমি ফিরতেছি বারে বারে মুর্শিদ, ফিরতেছি বারে বড় চিন্তা ঘন লেগেছে আমার অন্তরে ও মুর্শিদ